Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Question 27 is about diffraction grading, about the order of maximum. Remember the equation is d sine theta equals n under. And it said that the second order maximum for 600 nanometer fall directly onto mean the same theta. The third order maximum of the waving under, so these two maximum at the same d sine theta. So we can say before is a second order 600 nanometer, and then now is a third order and under. Do some calculation. What's the answer? Yes, you got it. Well done. The answer is B. Thank you.